iTCA IMS Module 3, the Information Management Lifecycle. Welcome back to the iTCA Information Management Systems course. So far, we've covered what information is, the core components of an IMS, and how everything fits together. If you missed Module 2, go check it out first. It'll make today's lesson way easier to follow. Now, in Module 3, the Information Management Lifecycle, we're going to look at how information actually flows through an organization. From the moment data is collected to when it's stored, secured, shared, and used for decision-making. This is the heartbeat of any information management system. Let's jump in. Lesson 3.1, Data Collection and Input Methods. Every IMS starts with data collection. And here's the thing, the quality of your output depends on the quality of your input. If you've heard the phrase garbage in, garbage out, this is exactly what it means. Wrong or incomplete data leads to wrong decisions. Organizations collect data in different ways. Manual data entry, like filling out forms or spreadsheets. Automated data capture through sensors, IoT devices, or system integrations. Digital forms on websites and apps. Transactional data automatically recorded when something happens, like supermarket sales at the point of purchase. But whatever method is used, good data collection must be accurate, timely, and consistent. If you get these three right, you're setting your entire IMS up for success. Quick thought for you. How does your school, workplace, or business collect data today? Could automation make things better? Lesson 3.2, Storage, Organization, and Retrieval. Okay, so we've collected the data. Where does it go? Organizations have three main storage options: on-premises servers for full internal control, cloud storage for scalability and easy access, or a hybrid system combining both. Once stored, the data must be organized properly. We use databases for structured records, data warehouses when dealing with large volumes for analytics, and document management systems for handling files. Retrieving this information can be as simple as running a search query, using dashboards and reports for visual summaries, or connecting systems using APIs so everything works together smoothly. Here's a simple example. A retail store records its daily sales in a database. Managers then pull weekly reports from a dashboard to plan inventory orders. Lesson 3.3, Information Security and Privacy Management. Now, this part is a big deal. Security and privacy. One data breach can cause massive financial loss, legal trouble, and reputational damage. That's why laws like GDPR in Europe require strict protection of personal information. To keep data secure, organizations rely on access controls so only the right people see sensitive information. Encryption to protect data while stored and when moving across networks. Backups to recover information if systems fail or are attacked. Audit trails to record who accessed or changed what. Privacy matters too. Collect only what you need. Tell people how their data will be used, and anonymize it when possible so individuals can't be directly identified. Think about healthcare. Patient records are encrypted, and only authorized doctors or nurses can view them. That's security and privacy working hand in hand. Lesson 3.4, Information Sharing and Collaboration. Finally, we get to sharing. Information becomes far more valuable when people can access it and work together on it, but it has to be done carefully. Organizations use intranets, collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack, and cloud platforms like OneDrive or Google Workspace to make information accessible to the right people at the right time. But here's the catch. Not everyone needs to see everything. Use secure channels, limit access based on roles, and track sharing activities so sensitive data stays safe. For instance, a global company might use SharePoint so teams across different countries can work on the same project documents, while confidential financial records remain restricted to top management. Quick recap and mini quiz. Let's recap what we covered in Module 3. Data moves through collection, storage, security, and sharing before it can be used effectively. accuracy and consistency start at the collection stage. Security and privacy protect both organizations and individuals. Sharing information safely helps teams collaborate and make better decisions. Now, here are a few quick questions for you. Why is accurate data collection important? 2. Name 2 ways information can be stored. List 3 measures organizations use to protect data. Drop your answers in the comments. I want to see how much you remember. That wraps up Module 3, the Information Management Lifecycle. In the next module, we'll look at IMS tools and technologies, where all this data finally becomes powerful insights for organizations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. See you in Module 4 on iTCA, Information Management Systems.